What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino, and today we're doing a large home, five bedrooms. It's got one bedroom which you can't see any stains, but the customer said she can smell it, or a cat threw up or something like that. But upon entering the room, I smell more of a dog kind of smell, like furs, dog odor, dog dander. So I'm not doing a full enzyme in the house, but what I'm going to do is do a little bit of a fragrance, deodorizer. This stuff's really goes a long ways. And literally, I just put a couple teaspoons into this right here, and it's going to do a nice, mild, pleasant smell, just to help with that dog smell. So we did do an enzyme on it, on that one room, but I just want to also do a deodorizer throughout the house. And I'm not charging for this. I use so little of this, it's free. So, all right, stay tuned. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned.
Back at first?
Yeah. I think that we maybe should take that blue machine though. That one looks really dirty. The Namco. So the guest bedrooms and the master bedroom are different. So this is the room here that we did the enzyme. Although with the light we can see spots, but visually without the light you couldn't see anything. So it's good to have that light, that way you can track stuff down if there's a smell. And you can't see it with your eye, you're not going to find it unless you got a light. So I already pre-sprayed that one. We got some color there. Not sure what that is. I'll bring out my spotter kit once we get to it, see if we can't do something with that without charging us some extra fee. Customers are not here, left a check already, so prepaid already, so especially stain removal. It's really not an option on this job. When I talk to the customers on the phone, I do ask them if there's any pet stains or odor or any specialty stains, red stains and stuff, before I give them a quote over the phone. And she said no. As far as red stains, she said no. So she's probably not worried about it too much. I think the main concern on this job is just the dog odor. Dander. It's gonna be some nice tight wand work in here. All right. So, oh, my patch is coming off here. Anyway, spotter kit here. Not sure what that is. Ink, maybe, or finger nail polish. So this is ink, paint, nail polish. Well, so this one right here should take care of that. But what we're gonna do is wait till we get here with the wand before we start treating it too much. So we're gonna start cleaning right now. I'm gonna leave that there, and actually I'm gonna get a rag and blot as much as I could up right now. Stay tuned. Yeah, so it's coming up, whatever it is. So if you're spotting, carpet, upholstery, whatever you're working on, you want to make sure you just blot when you're trying to pick up the stain rather than spread. So just blot it. Oh, you don't spread it around, make the stain bigger, and if you don't get all of it out, you don't have a bigger stain. So the customer will be like, hey, it wasn't that big before you got here. And you'd be like, you're right. So I'm pretty sure this is going to come out once we get here with the wand. So I got majority of it. Well, I got a lot of it up, not a majority of it up, but that solution is going to sit here and do its thing. Also, dwell time, and should be easy, and the customer should be happy because she probably thinks it's permanent. So I'll leave the stuff here. Aaron's in here extracting already. Smells a lot better already. Found a guy locally. I got that rug right there for $8. No, actually, I think $10, 10 or 12 bucks. And I found a guy locally that does my hats and stuff, and he threw the logo right here in the corner. The reason why it's in the corner is because it's not a water base, so we weren't really too sure how walking over it and stuff would affect it, how long it would last. So if we would put it up in the corner, and usually isn't any problem. It's been holding up really well. So far, everything seems to be there. So, so yeah, a little cheap way to brand yourself, you know. I'm gonna have them make a few more of these, and customers already commented on them. So that's cool. Looking good. Wipe up some of that excess water that overspray from the wand. Plus we go through here when we're done with some squeaky clean and microfiber mop, and mop up the floors on the way out. All gone. some more color there.
What color?
This is green, but we'll see. Yep, all done. All right, guys, all finished up. Pulling all the hoses out and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and mop my way out of here. Squeaky clean by custom coating, basic coating. And I mix that name up all the time, so I'm not sure what is it. Basic coating. So normally, if the customer was here, before we put the wand away, before we wrap anything up, first thing I do is call the customer and ask the customer what he thinks of the job, what she thinks of the job. And then once she approves everything, then we'll wrap everything out. Because the worst thing, I know we've all been there, especially if you've been in this business for a while. You think everything's just great, you wrap everything up, then the customer spots something out, and even though you know it's probably a permanent deal there, you got to pull out the hoses again, just to ease their curiosity, and that really wastes a lot of time, and time is money, right? So go ahead and ask your customer what they think about the job, because ultimately they're the boss. They're the one paying you to do the carpet clean. If they're not happy with it, then they're not going to call you again, or maybe even give you a bad review. So make sure that they know that you tried the best you can, and whatever's there is permanent. I do a lot of explaining to my customers the chemistries and what chemistries work on different types of staining and stuff. I do that. I also educate the customers. I also have a video I send to my customers, not all of them, but when the conversation comes up, I have a video. They ask me, what kind of spotter is safe to use for spills and stuff, So I made a video a while back, kind of going through stuff you can get, DIY stuff you can get locally that's safe on your carpet. It's not going to hurt it, and do a good job. So I send that link to them. So basically, guys, what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to go over and beyond in my business model to earn that reputation of a 5-star carpet cleaner, and earn the trust of your customer. Your ideal customers. So they'll call you back again. They'll pay a little bit more for that quality. So many times I've had a customer say, well, I've never paid this much, but you have great reviews. I'll figure I'll try it out. And guess what? They call me time and time again now, because they know that price really made a difference, and they just love the business model and the customer service and professionalism that I bring with it. And I've learned all this stuff off other carpet cleaners. And Truman Steamers was a real big inspiration when I first started, and I kind of binge watched his videos, and kind of copied him in a lot of ways, except for solutions and stuff like that. I kind of found my own solutions that I figured was best for my business. But as far as professionalism and kind of go building the rapport with your customers, I got that from him. All right, gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. I'll see you in the next one.